Welcome, there's some exciting new news and updates with Facebook as per normal, but this one I really would love to share with you all because it's going to be a great asset to a lot of my clients who do events. So you all know that you can create an event on Facebook. So the way you do that is just by coming down the side of your Facebook page and you will see events. What we used to do is if we were having a paid event, an external face-to-face event or an online event, we would have to actually use a third-party application. I used to use Eventbrite to actually get the payment system through, but Facebook has now introduced the feature where we can get payment from Facebook or within Facebook. So I would love to show you how you do that today. First thing, you need to make sure that your Facebook page is eligible for monetization. So the way you do that is go to your Creator Studio, and if you're not sure how to get to Creator Studio, click the More button at the top of your Facebook page and go Creator Studio. Find your page, it should be there, you shouldn't have as many as I have, and click on monetization, and you'll see that your account will be either eligible or ineligible. If it's not eligible, there'll be some criteria that you have to address, and that may be different for everybody. But as we can see, my page is eligible. So then we go to set up paid online events, which is really exciting for me. So select the page that I want to monetize and then go start setup. Assign paid online events, terms of service. I'm going to accept that and set up a payment account. So that's your next step. So walking through here, I go through to my country, which is Australia, and I select my business type is a individual, my legal name. So you just want to fill in all your details here. The other government legal information is my ABN number. That's all I'm going to put in there. Hopefully that works. Get paid on Facebook will handle payments and processing. Now, I don't know how much they're going to charge. That's something that I have to check out, but put in your SWIFT number, and your SWIFT number is a number that comes from your actual bank. So you'll need to do some investigation there, your account number, and then link your bank. If you don't have a bank account, you can use PayPal. So I'm going to use PayPal in this instance because it's just a lot easier for me to use my PayPal account. Log into that. PayPal will send me my security text message, which would come, and that should be it. I should be set up now to, yes, I agree with that. Thanks for linking PayPal. So we're done, right? So PayPal is now connected. That's my date of birth, blah, 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 blah. I'm all set. I'm done. Okay, so now I've set up my paid section of the Facebook account, or the back end. So you can host a live talk, do Q&As, have fun, whatever. You just use your creativity. Now create an event, exactly the same as you would create an event normally. The only difference is when you go through your create an event. So if you're having an external event, you may find that it is a little bit difficult to use this section or the paid section through Facebook because it is actually for online events. So enabling it, you have to actually check the online event. Select whether it's live video, a link where you're sending them to someone, which could be a pre-recorded or anything else. Come down here to, oops, I've just missed it. No, I haven't. Come down here to enable paid access, set the price for the event, and you're done. So this is a great feature for anybody that's wanting to hold online events or has been holding online events, and maybe you'd like to get paid for it. I know I'm going to start scheduling a number of videos every month to teach people and get paid for them, like a webinar. So this is a really good feature. Go check it out. Don't forget that you can access my social media simple content management system, which is 183 cut and paste prompts for you and your business, so you don't have to spend too much time thinking about what you're going to post on social. Hope you enjoyed this video. If it's on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. If it's on Facebook, mwah, love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now.